Stop by and take a look at the 2014 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, xenon headlights, stability control, remote power door locks, front license plate bracket, leather seats, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.